was asked recently to demonstrate how I would create a tool and use it for, say, measuring internal skirtings. So I thought I'd record it, and it might be useful to others as well. So essentially I've got a drawing here that I have flattened and I've calibrated and I've checked. I've created an internal skirtings tool by using the perimeter tool and changing the settings. So if I go ahead and measure, if I do bedroom 1, and on this occasion I'm going to go straight through all the openings. And as you can see in my markups list, I've got internal skirtings times 1 as per that girth line I've just created in bedroom 1. And you can use your label to annotate which rooms they're in and what have you. So to handle the deducts, there's a couple of ways you can do this. And you can either carry on using the same tool and in the timesing column you can change that to a -1, and what that will do, it will reduce the running total for you. Same here. And you can see that total has reduced. Now if I wanted to group all those together, and annotate those as bedroom 1, so I know what I've got in all of those, and when I export I'll be able to see clearly what the deducts are and what the adds are. Visually that can be a bit confusing if you've got a lot of lines on the screen. Alternately, what you can do is just create a dedicated deduct tool with the same name, which I've done here. So basically all I did was duplicate the skirtings tool and just altered the properties of it. Gave it a contrast so it's easier to view on the screen. Change the style, and if you're using my profile and my custom columns, if you come to the custom box and you type in -1 and set as default, you can then do the deducts in a similar way. But on this occasion, the deducts will be in their own separate subject. So you would have to take the 1.78 away from the 14.86. So when you export, you'll have the deducts separate from the actual measure. Of course, the obvious is as well, just don't include the doors in the first place. And obviously as you're going around the perimeter, make sure those external openings are not doors. So bedroom 2. So I hope that's helpful.